section below, and we'll see you guys next week.
Shouts out to bro out there putting in that work in the field, getting those damn
more fun being rich and on the street, bro. It's a lot of shit to do, so I look at it like they got more gangsters in the stock market, they got more gangsters in government than gangsters on the street.
Right.
They just got more information than us.
Just like Chico said.
We just don't got the information.
Get the
And so if we learn how to play that game, I use it the same way as I use the streets. And so what happens is once I started making money, I was like, oh, they don't really got, they're not really smarter than me. They just got information. So the goal for me was to just go get some more information. And when you come from the street, you ain't scared to lose no money.
Right.
That shit come with the game.
So when you say earlier, when you like you don't believe in what Google said, how do you get your information on that it's false information out there?
So I don't really go to Google for information. I go straight to the source. I go straight to them. So we gotta stop being scared to read too.
You already know the big homie who's gonna make his special guest appearance. Shouts out to DJ Ease. Y'all know to go check out his Buy Me a Coffee or his YouTube, whichever one you want to be fucking with, right? Appreciate the 5 thumbs up. Oh, we still got more videos to do. Damn, we got overtime today. We going in. I'm gonna have to put this on speed because it might get copyrighted if not.
Anybody else been fired recently? My 2 sons and my grandson and my godson, they're all here kind of to watch over me to make sure me and my big mouth don't squander no more of their inheritance. What they're here for.
He's back and funny as ever. Roseanne Barr joining us on the couch today. Welcome and happy Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's to you too. Thanks for having me.
Absolutely. You've got a brand new comedy special on Fox Nation, and it's called Cancel This.
Yeah.
I don't quite say it the way you do. Tell us about it.
You want me to say it? Yeah. Cancel this.
Yes.
Well, it's kind of my explanation for what happened to me. I never got to have my say or to explain what happened or even to apologize for the mistake I made, to set it straight. So that's what I do in here in my special. And also, I try to be